Hey, it is 9:41. Time now to imagine it with the chief scientist from the Imagination Station, Carl Nelson. Welcome to Muppet Labs, where the future's being made today. What is happening here?
Well, we're going to crush a pop can.
Okay.
And now I'm afraid if I gave you this pop can, you'd probably try to do it on your forehead.
I could do it, not just try.
All right. We're going to use air pressure instead, okay?
All right.
So, I mean, air pressure is just air molecules colliding against something. So at sea level, 14.7 pounds per square inch. This pop can is not going to spontaneously crush because there are air molecules colliding on the outside. It's open, right? So there are air molecules on the inside. What we need to do is set up an imbalance of air pressure. We need to drop the air pressure somehow. And so the clever way I have of doing it is we're going to fill these pop cans with water vapor. Okay?
Right.
We're going to fill them with water vapor, and I'm going to have you, Tony, take this pair of tongs. Now, these are extremely hot, so it's a delicate procedure. Reach in, gently remove one of them near the bottom. Shoot for that one.
Near the bottom?
Yeah, shoot for that one. You're going to take it, and you're going to quickly flip it over into this tray of water.
Whoa.
All right. All right, very nice. So
now it's cool to the touch.
It's cool to the touch, and exactly right, because what happened was a couple things. One, we sealed it in the water, okay? And then the air vapor that was inside the water vapor condensed back into a liquid. When you go from the gaseous state to the liquid state, you take up less space. So the pressure dropped inside, and so the can crushes.
And it's really cool looking, too.
Let's try it again.
But this is water on the inside of these.
Just
water.
water.
Sparkling seltzer water, but you took that out.
I like the sparkling water, so I have these at home. So.
Right. Well, but I just want to make it clear that this is no chemical reaction or anything.
No, it's
just
simply
water.
the air pressure. Yep.
Right.
So try again.
Funk.
Isn't that great?
That is cool.
Now the cool thing too is as you shake out that water, you see there's actually some water that's been pushed up into the can.
Yeah.
Because the pressure drops inside, and so atmospheric. Keep going. Pop another one. Let's see. It's cool, right?
It is.
It's very
can't
satisfying.
imagine what you do in your garage. Hey!
Nice. And again, you get some water that's pulled up inside there because the air pressure, now it doesn't drop to zero inside, but it drops just enough. When that water vapor condenses back to a liquid, takes up less space. You got one left here. You got to finish it off.
Is this an illustration of barometric pressure at all? Could Ross talk about it?
Ross could exactly talk about this.
Whoa! Hey! I hope I didn't bust you.
Very nice.
Bold.
Now, no, that's fine. Now, obviously, this whole camping stove deal is probably not something you want to do at home with kids. However, there is a really cool way you can do this.
Okay.
If you have like one of these plastic jugs, milk, water, whatever,
right?
Empty it out. Take it to the tap. Fill it with hot water. Hottest water you can get out of the tap, fill it up all the way, then pour the water out, empty it out, quickly put on the lid. You've done almost the same thing we did here. It'll happen a little bit slower, but this jug will start to crush up. And if you want to speed it up, just run a little cold water over it.
Oh, okay.
So this is like the safe kid version.
It's kind of like when you're boiling eggs, or I guess hard-boiled eggs, and you put them in an ice water bath so you can take the shell off.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
It does. It does. It helps cool the thing down a little bit, makes the egg come off a little bit easier. But cool at-home version, totally safe.
And slow. You can pretend you're doing it with your mind.
You can.
Watch as I crush the gallon of gas.
That would be very cool.
Not gas. Don't use gas.
Don't use
gallon
gas.
of milk.
Water. You use a water jug.
Right. Excellent. All right. Hey, thanks very much. And the hours at the Imagination Station, you've got some special things happening down there, too.
We do. This is the last week to see Sesame Street Presents the Body. So come on down and check that out. Today is Saturday. Lucas County residents are free if they're 12 and under, and we're open from 10 to 5 today. And then tomorrow, Sunday, Elmo will be out all day.
Excellent.
So come down and check out Elmo.
I got to say that we went down there, I took the kids, and that's probably the longest we've ever spent at one single exhibit was for Sesame Street the Body. I think we were there for 2 hours in that one little area, so there's a lot to do.
It is very nice. You should come down and check it out.
Thank you very much, Carl Nelson. That's this week's Imagine It. We're going to turn it over to Dave with sports.